after the Supreme Court's rejection of an Alabama congressional redistricting map earlier this month. The court today unfreezing the Louisiana redistricting case.
It's a move that could force the state to redraw congressional district lines and help give black voters more representation. Taylor Toole joins us live from downtown Lafayette with how it could affect Acadiana. Taylor.
Good evening, Jim. I spoke with state and local leaders and lawmakers, and they tell me while it's still unclear how these new lines could affect Acadiana's voting population as a whole, some say it's a historic step in the right direction.
This has been a long time coming because redistricting only happens every 10 years. And so when we missed the opportunity 10 years ago, we can't miss it now because it's going to be another 10 years. I'm going to be 10 years older, right? So we want to make sure that as my life winds down, that my kids and grandkids can know and appreciate that they have somebody that represents them in Congress and looks just like them.
As cartographers continue the map's fine-tuning process, many officials and legislators alike releasing statements on the matter, starting at the state capitol. You can see Governor Edwards' thoughts right there on your screen. To paraphrase, he writes, "This is something he has consistently spoken about in the past and is about, quote, simple math, basic fairness, and the rule of law, as the voting population is 1/3 black." Republican Sharon Hewitt, who led map drawing in the Senate, also coming forward with a statement via text. She writes that Louisiana's congressional maps were passed by a supermajority of the legislature and comply with the law, noting that she looks forward to, quote, having our day in court. Now, I've reached out to State Representative John Stefanski. He's been the House lead on redistricting, and he tells me he can't comment on the case at this time as he hasn't had a chance yet to read it. I also reached out to Attorney General Jeff Landry. He's representing the state in this case, and he says that he says nothing. He hasn't actually responded to me just yet. But if you would like to update yourself on this case, you can check it out for yourself on KATC.com. Live in Lafayette, Taylor Toole, KATC TV3.